We'll guide you through how to edit audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the Fairlight page by clicking the music note icon at the bottom. This is where all the audio magic happens. You'll see your audio timeline here. To begin editing, make sure you have your audio track imported. If not, go to the Edit page, drag your audio file into the media pool, and then into your timeline. Switch back to Fairlight. You can now start adjusting your audio. To cut the audio, use the Blade tool by pressing B, then click on the timeline where you want to make cuts. Use the Selection tool, which you can access by pressing A, to move or delete segments. To adjust volume levels, click on the keyframe button in the track header, then click on the volume line in the timeline to add keyframes and drag them up or down to adjust the volume at different points. For effects like EQ or compression, go to the Effects library on the right, drag your desired effect onto the audio track, and tweak the settings in the Inspector panel. To balance the audio levels across different clips, use the Mixer panel on the right. You can adjust each track's volume and pan settings here. If you want to remove background noise, select the audio clip, go to the Inspector, and apply noise reduction by adjusting the threshold and other parameters until you get the desired effect. Remember, you can always Ctrl+Z to undo any changes. Once you're satisfied with your edits, go to the Deliver page, set your render settings, and export your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.